My name is Ruoli Wang from Royal Institute of Technology, and together with my co-PI, Yuan Li, we are presenting our digital pair project aiming to use digital tools to facilitate personalized medicine in rehabilitation. In this project, we also collaborate with Jiantong Li from EECS School with expertise of printed electronics, and there are 3 postdocs involved in the project. Impaired motor function is one of the major disabilities. Persons may lose the ability to perform daily activities and largely influence health-related quality of life. Management of a complex disability currently largely relies on rehabilitation. However, in clinical practice, the supervision and the evaluation of a rehabilitation motion pattern remain a medical and engineering challenge due to the lack of biofeedback information about the effect of the rehabilitation motion on the individual human biological tissues and structures. Therefore, the project aims to develop the digital twins of the personalized human neuromuscular framework, will allow carrying out a high-fidelity real-time analysis of non-measurable internal biomechanics quantities in the body tissues and bony structures in a non-invasive manner. As a proof of concept, we propose a clinical-friendly digital twins framework that provides a real-time biofeedback to facilitate in neuro-rehabilitation training and intervention. However, to translate the power of the computational neuromuscular model from a research lab to clinical conditions, we face several major challenges. First of all, the model requires high-level personalization in respect to anatomic, physiological, and neurological characteristics to match the individual. Second, most skin contact sensors suffer from limited signal stability and discomfort during long time recording. And last but not least, the data input still largely rely on a lab environment, for instance, a marker-based camera system. We have focused on 2 perspectives in this project. First, to develop a variable sensor-based neuromuscular model framework, which can track body movement and posture, compute joint torque, estimate internal biomechanical parameters in real time. We integrated the neuromuscular simulator with a robotic operating system to tackle the issue with multiple sensor or sensor type synchronization and real-time computing. Another direction is to develop ultrasound transparent electrode for simultaneous bioelectrical and ultrasound signal collection. The highlights for the electrodes will be introduced by my co-PI. Here shows a real-time neuromuscular framework we developed. The model can be driven by different variable sensors, such as inertial measurement units, the pressure insoles, which can measure the underfoot pressure distribution in real time. A robotic operating system is used to mediate to solve the complex multi-sensor, multi-modular integration issue of a real-time neuromuscular simulation. Then we can drive inverse kinematics model to compute joint angles during motion. By combining sensor insole and model-based prediction, we can then estimate joint kinetics and solve the muscle redundancy problem with optimization in real time. Then this estimated internal muscular status will be visualized, even gamified as a biofeedback to supervise assist rehabilitation training. As a proof of concept, we evaluated the integration from inertial measurement units and pressure insoles. Here you can see a short demo video with one participant wearing 8 IMU sensors and pressure insoles and perform different activities in our lab.
Regarding ultrasound transparent electrode development, we combine renewable resources-based ultrasound transparent substrate with biocompatible ultrasound transparent electrode material, PSS. 3D printing technology was used for scalable processing. To make the electrodes, we first extracted the nanocellulose from wood and then form ultrasound transparent substrate by using filtration and drying. After that, P.PSS was 3D printed on the nanocellulose substrate with designed pattern. Here are the results obtained. We prepared two types of nanocellulose from wood. One type of nanocellulose is temple oxidized SNF, which has the higher surface charge with better water holding property, beneficial for long-time ultrasound transparency. From the atomic force microscope image, you can see the diameters of SNF is less than 5 nanometer. The other type of nanocellulose is hollow SNF, which has better printability, beneficial for stable electrical signal collection. Similar morphology was obtained compared with the temple SNF, but with less uniform nanocellulose diameter. Both types of nanocellulose could result in strong transparent substrates with stress over 200 megapascal. Here shows 3 pairs of electrodes 3D printed on hollow SNF paper. Low sheet resistance were obtained with values of around 7.7 ohm per square. On the right is the scanning electron microscope of the printed electrodes. You can see that P.PSS is adhered to nanocellulose paper. The electrodes could be further used for simultaneous collection of ultrasound and EMG signals of besides. Similar signals detection magnification and accuracy was realized compared with the signals obtained from separate ultrasound imaging and EMG detection. Although with current achievements, we are still facing challenges. For example, double integration of the noisy acceleration from IMU leads to an inaccurate position solution over a long period of using. Neglecting shear forces from the insole limited the validity in applying in persons with other foot floor contact scenarios. Also, we have no global information regarding terrain and obstacles, etc. Therefore, we are proposing to fuse computer vision, such as video camera or depth camera, even eye tracker, into our current real-time framework. The computer vision can provide position information in lower frequency and provide resetting of the accumulated errors. For the ultrasound transparent electrodes, more efforts will be put on good stretchability and high stability to ensure accurate signals detection during human movements. That's all the information we want to update it from our project. Thanks for listening.